welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you've never been on my channel before, please hit that subscribe button below so you can join the family, and don't forget to click that little bell. But yeah, if you like this video, please give me a fat thumbs up. But I am going to be doing something a little different on my channel. I'm going to be doing a review on this Gigi waxing starter kit. It was on sale at Ulta for like 40 bucks, and my teacher even said it was like a good deal. But I've heard different thoughts on the soft wax, so I'm kind of nervous to try it. But I am going to be doing a review on this, but I also am going to be showing you how to wax from home in a professional way. I am in esthetician school, so I do know how to wax professionally. So if you're watching this and that's what you came for, I am going to show you how to do it on my leg. I have some hair on my legs. I'm going to show before, a really close up, and then I'm going to show an after. Hey guys, let's get into this. So I'm gonna open this, and if you see my daughter in the background, she's doing a lot of my videos. I'm gonna show you what it all comes in the kit and all that good stuff, and then I am going to warm the wax up and then show you how it does. But yeah, I've heard bad things about these strips because I guess a lot of hairs come off of them, which I plan on buying something from Amazon anyways, because I guess there's a lot of strings. But this just comes with it. So it comes with these. These are for your face waxing. These are for your legs, bigger areas, underarms. And then it comes with some popsicle sticks. You can get regular ones from Walmart, I know that. And then, oh yes, those are messy. I can already feel it. But this is a pre-epilation powder. My teacher don't like this one, I don't know why, but I got cornstarch over here. That I'm gonna be using. You can use cornstarch or some type of powder. I recommend cornstarch. It's cheap. It's $1 for a box. But yeah, this is the pre-epilation. This just helps you from lifting. And this is the wax off, so to get it off your skin. This is the hair minimizer. Minimizes the appearance of new hair growth, and it protects the skin. But I guess you use this after you shower and stuff. It helps your hair not grow as fast. I don't know, I've never really heard of that. And then this is this pre-epilation cleanser, just to cleanse the area before you do wax that area. And then this is the big dog. This is the waxing pot. This is what I really like, is the waxing pot. I mean, I think a really nice waxing pot. And it comes with all-purpose honey hair removal wax. I believe this is a soft wax, which soft wax is better for bigger areas underarms, legs and stuff. But then hard wax, they do have a hard wax option, or but you can buy it, and that's good for if you're really sensitive to wax. But yeah, I'm okay with soft wax. Yeah, you guys, I am going to warm this up. I'm going to show you a video what it looks like when it's warming and I got it plugged in and all that stuff. And then I am going to show you me waxing part of my arm or my leg. I'm kind of into my legs, but we can do the leg, show you what it looks like. Yeah guys, let's get it. Okay, this is what it looks like warming. I got a little bit on the side, you guys don't mind, but it's almost warmed up. You can tell that's a little bit hard, but it always I put it on high. I'm gonna lower it down to medium in just a second here. But if you're worried about it being too hot, you always grab from the center. And then if it's too kind of milky, you grab from the outside, because that's the hotter part of it. But I'm gonna show you how I grab the wax, and then I'm gonna show you me applying it and then me ripping it off. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's gonna hurt because leg waxing hurts so bad for me. But yeah, I just want to show you what it looks like when it's done. I probably should have left this on when I put it in the warmer. So if you get this, leave this on. Leave that on. Just leave it on, trust me, because you're gonna get wax all over yourself. I have wax all over my hands, and it was hard. But yeah, you just leave it on, put it on there, put it on high, just so you can get it wet, get it really warm first. It actually warmed up really fast. I'm surprised how warm it got. I thought it was gonna wait a half hour. But that's what I like about this. It actually warms up really, really good. That's one good thing I like about it. So if you're I don't know if that's something that you want, definitely check that out. But this is high, medium, low. I am going to put it I'm gonna keep it at high for another, I don't know, let's say probably 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it back down to low. Therefore, I can just get to the consistency that I want it to be. This is my leg hair. I know it's kind of ill, like looking at like the long hair. Don't mind the wax on my finger, you guys. It literally won't come off. But yeah, that's my hair on my legs. And this is where I had ingrown hair. But yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna show you how I take off my leg hair. Hopefully this like setup is okay for you. I'm gonna show you how I'm like gonna stir it. It is still gooey. I'm gonna put it on high. But like the outside's more gooier, so you just want to stir it, get the middle. But say like you really like you had a client come and it was like you totally forgot to warm up your wax, you would pull from the outside because it's the warmest spot. I'm gonna clean this. The way you save your popsicle sticks is you just break them in half. But I am gonna throw this away. And then we're sitting away. I put it on high. It's about ready. But yeah, I am gonna break these in half. I'm gonna use a bigger one for my legs. These are more like facial waxing, like probably underarm or like facial waxing. Underarm I would use bigger ones. But yeah, you guys. This is, I'm gonna put my hair up for this. But yeah, I'm just gonna break this in half. And this is what you're gonna do. Let's do some pre-cleansing beforehand so you guys can see what that's like while we're waiting. Don't mind my legs, you guys. Let me pull out my drawer and put my leg on it for you. I am gonna move this so you can see. The angle's a little different, you guys, sorry. I did put a blanket down, but I am going.
Mommy, that's just my bed. Mommy,
Okay, this is what you're gonna cleanse with. Pre-epilation cleanser. You're just gonna take some, put it onto this pad, and just wipe the area that you're gonna wax. So I'm gonna just clean this area right here, because that's the area I took a video of. I'm probably not gonna wax my whole leg just because I have worked a little bit. It kind of smells like alcohol, so I feel like you could just clean your legs with alcohol. But yeah, you just cleanse the area. Obviously, goes away. To be clean though, if you are gonna be like waxing from home, make sure everything is like discarded after each use. But yeah, I am gonna get this area. Wow, after you cleanse it, it looks like a lot more hair. But I am gonna put like a clip of my legs beforehand so you guys can really see. Maybe I can put it up here, you guys can see better. I don't know if you can see. So you guys, now I am going to take some cornstarch and just sprinkle some on my legs. You can like put this in a different container. I usually use cornstarch out of like the container so it's easier to grab. But they didn't have none at my dollar store. You just rub it in the area that you're gonna wax. This prevents lifting, which lifting is just like the first layer of skin. Okay, so now that I got the cornstarch on, you just put it on there, it prevents lifting. And while we're waiting for the wax, I'm gonna come back once the wax is warmed and we will wax a strip of my leg hair. Yay! I am gonna wax. I wish I had like a better angle for you guys, but it's like really hard to, because I want to do it like comfortably because I'm gonna be ripping hair off. It's hard, it's a weird angle, don't mind my leg. But I am just gonna go like this. And you're going to go 45-degree angle, so you're just gonna go like this. You don't want to go like this. I mean, you go like that, but like you don't want to go like this. That's just not, I don't know. You're just gonna want to go like this down your leg. Okay? I'm a little nervous because it's gonna hurt. But I'm gonna get a good amount. Clean my thing off. I'll show you like a really good like close up. I'll put it in the sidebar here so you can see. But I am just gonna go like this. Down my leg. And you want to do it as thin as you can. Therefore, when you pull, it's not like super hard. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it right here, and you want to leave a good amount to pull with, and you're gonna want to pull up because the hair is growing down, so I want to pull up, like towards the hair growth. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys, you want to hold the skin taut like this. Oh my gosh, and it hurts so bad, you guys. It's so weird doing it yourself. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Guys, I gotta breathe for this. I like doing it on other people, I don't do it myself. Oh my god, and you're gonna put pressure. And you're gonna put pressure. Oh my god, I took a lot of hair off, you guys. I'm just gonna keep, like, look at this, you guys. Oh my god, ew. They said this wax was bad. This wax isn't bad. Like, I've heard, like, bad reviews about it. It's really not that bad. But, see, on your legs, you can go over it. Like, say you miss, like, a huge patch. You can go over it again with soft wax. But if you're, like, on your face, you can't. You can go back over it with hard wax. Just because it could lift. But, yeah, guys. But you can save this. Because, and you can also save it if you have a client. Because you're only touching their skin with it. You're not touching, you know. Alright, I'm going to do another strip. Again, I will show how I'm grabbing it. We're going to go down lower, you guys. You can go like this. Oh my god. One of you see me doing that. I'm so sorry, this angle's really bad. But yeah, I'm going to pull it up here. Sorry, with my foot up here. Put my strip back on it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna hurt, you guys. Sorry, you're gonna see a whole bunch of leg in this. And I don't got the best legs, if you heard. But, yeah. You're just gonna hold it really taut with your hand because you want the skin very tight. You want it very tight. Oh my gosh. This hurts the worst, like right angle. And you're gonna 1, 2, 3, and hold the pressure. And then you go back in. Say you have hair somewhere, you don't want to pull it, you know? You just roll it. Okay? And this is what that looks like. Ooh, it took off good. It really don't hurt when you do it on yourself. I like this wax. Like, it's not like as painful as I thought it would be. It's just like that initial, you know, pull. I'm going to throw that thing away. And I'm going to do one more time up here. And then that should be good. Okay, I'm going to show you really how you like this. Just very thin. Very thin. And if you want to add more, you can add more. Speed waxing. This is what speed waxing is. Just add more. I grabbed it weird. You just want to be at a 45-degree angle. You never want to go like this. Just because it's harder to scrape it. Like, you really want a thin layer. Okay. We're going to get another strip. I'm going to do this side right here. You always want to be cautious of the bone on your leg, too. Because you can bruise. But yeah, I'm just going to rub it in really good. I left enough to pull with. You always want to do that. I'm going to grab my leg really taut. And I'm gonna rip and put pressure back because the pressure helps the pain. This is gonna be an interesting video to watch because my face probably when I pull is probably like, but all right, and I'm gonna pull it. Make sure I got it all. Don't get me wrong, guys, it hurts, but not that bad. This is a brand new strip. This is how much hair I got. I know, right? It's pretty nasty. Ooh, though. But the one thing, though, like waxing your legs, it stays like this for a long time. Oh, man. Okay. I am going to show you how I cleanse. I might do a little more. I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you how, like, I clean it up after you wax. So then you know how to do that. Okay, you guys. This is it after. That's where I had the ingrown hair at. but it looks really good compared to like the side of it. That's where I didn't wax that. I think it looks good. I like the wax. It's not like, I don't know. I like it. Alright, you guys. I know I'm like in a weird angle, but yeah, I did do a few more patches, but I'm gonna show you how you clean it off. And then I'm gonna put like a clip at the end of what it looks like after. I didn't do my whole leg just because I don't have time to do it. But I do recommend like waxing over shaving because I rather do it like the first time. Like, guys, it hurts so bad. But like doing it on myself really didn't hurt that bad. I like the wax. I don't know, like one of my classmates said there's like bad reviews on it, but I like it. It didn't hurt, and it was really thin, and that's like one good thing, thin wax. Gigi's a good brand. This is actually a really good price to get it at. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna show you how I clean it off. You can also do, we use hazelnut oil in school, and it cleans the wax off really, really good off your legs. But this is just the wax off. I'll put some on my thing here. And then I'm just gonna rub it on there. And it helps get the wax off of your leg. I like it, you guys. It looks so good. But yeah, I definitely recommend it over shaving because like it pulls it from the root and it lasts like 3 weeks. Okay, you know when you shave your leg hairs, it's like, I don't know, 2 days before you start feeling like a stubble again. You're like, oh my god. No. Waxing. Waxing definitely is a lot better because it just lasts so much longer. But yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like after. Try to show you side. Don't mind that. There was an ingrown hair. But look at how like smooth that looks. I didn't do all of it, so you might see some hairs back here, but yeah, it looks so good, you guys. And I get really red afterwards. This is how my skin reacts. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a fat thumbs up. I recommend it. I give it like a 10 out of 10 just because it got the job done. Some of the stuff I might substitute just because I've already used it in school, like the cleansing after. I use hazelnut oil in school, and like, I don't know, I like how it like feels after as well. It makes it very smooth and shiny. But yeah, I definitely recommend it, especially if like you're just like doing it from home and you like don't go to esthetician school or aren't trained in that. It's really good like to start with because it literally has everything and it's only $40. Okay, $40. That's it. That's all. But yeah, guys, I do recommend it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a fat thumbs up, comment something below, and if you like me to do any other like reviews or like have any other video suggestions, comment them below. But yeah, guys, that's the end of this video, and thanks for watching.